Hi, this is Josh Lockheed, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. The F2 Lookup List feature in QuoteWerks can help you save time by creating pick lists for field values for a variety of different fields. These can be static, pre-configured lists, or the values can be pulled from your configured CRM or PSA. One example of how the F2 Lookup List feature can be used is if you find yourself regularly quoting shipping, you can preload a list of your shipping methods. Then, when creating a quote, if you hit the F2 key while in the Ship Via text box, the list will preload with the available options. This is just one example of how to use the feature, but the fields that you can use in the F2 Lookup feature and the types of pick lists you can create are numerous. Additionally, you can use F2 Lookup to automatically pull fields from your configured CRM or PSA integration into a QuoteWerks field. To set up a list to be used by F2 Lookup, navigate to the field you wish to configure a pick list for. We will click into the Sale Info tab and select Terms. Clicking F2 on our keyboard opens the F2 list window. As you can see, the F2 list is currently blank, but we can easily add values by clicking the New button. Let's add 3 terms options that represent options we can provide to our customers. The options will be Net 30, Net 15, or Credit Card Paid. To create each list item, we'll click on the New button and enter a value and description if needed. I've quickly added them here, and if I need to make any adjustments, I can use the Edit or Delete buttons. Once you have your list items created, all you have to do is hit Select to add them to the field. Adding a value from an F2 Lookup List is that easy. Another option you have in using the F2 Lookup List feature is to preload a macro that can pull information into the document from your CRM or PSA. To do so, you will first want to check the help files to get the macro to use with your specific CRM or PSA. This will look something like tilde, CRM name, _ macro, with brackets for the field you would like to pull in. For the purposes of today's demonstration, we're going to use ConnectWise, so our macro will be tilde, ConnectWise, _ macro, then the brackets. We then want to determine what CRM or PSA field we want to populate the field. We will choose to update the Terms field on the Sale Info tab in QuoteWerks with the value from the Custom Terms field in ConnectWise. To do this, we will want to put the field we want to pull in from ConnectWise in the brackets of the macro expression we just discussed. So to create this macro, we'll type in tilde ConnectWise _ macro, brackets, company-custom fields _ terms, end brackets. Once we have the macro, we can then input it into the F2 lookup for the Terms field in QuoteWerks. To do this, navigate to the Sale Info tab and click into the Terms field. If there is anything there by default, just remove it, as we'll be repopulating this field with our information from ConnectWise. Then press the F2 key and the F2 lookup window will appear. To create a new value, click on New. Paste the macro we just created into the value field and give it a name. We will name this Terms from CW. Click OK to save this lookup value. Let's quickly hop over into ConnectWise and the company record for the customer we have a quote created for. Looking at the company page in ConnectWise, we can see the Terms field is set to Net 30, so this is the value we expect to be brought over using our F2 lookup. Going back into QuoteWerks and to the Sale Info tab, all we have to do is click on the Terms field, hit F2, select Terms from CW, and hit Select. Doing so has brought over the Terms value from ConnectWise. As you can see, the F2 Lookup List feature is one that can save you time and effort when creating quotes in QuoteWerks. Whether creating and using static pre-configured lists of options or pulling in specific field data from your CRM or PSA, the F2 Lookup List feature is a great tool that can be customized to fit your needs. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please see our help files or contact our team at 407-248-1481.